Let us continue with our previous video where we studied some fundamental terminologies related to current electricity. Right? Now we will give some derivation. We will derive some equation for electrical conductivity, mobility, current density, etc. Right? For which the initial considerations are: consider a conductor. Now the conductor is provided with a potential difference V. Now when the electrons which are in random motion inside the conductor gets drifted towards the positive terminal, which we named it as drift velocity Vd. Now after applying this potential difference, the electrons here inside the conductor, there produces electric field. That electric field gives rise to a force given to the electrons. So force experienced or force exerted on the electrons by the application of field E is charge electron into electric field. So electric field is present inside the conductor, right? Let us take it as equation number 1. So force experienced by the electron when the potential difference is applied. Due to the field created here, due to the field, electron acquires some force or pushed with some force. That force is F equal to minus of E into E, because we are dealing with electrons is negatively charged, E into E. Now from Newton's second law, we know force equal to mass into acceleration. Now after acquiring some force, the electrons are accelerated with some acceleration. Let m be the mass of the electron, a be the acceleration through which electrons gets accelerated. So F equal to ma, we are having another equation which is force. Now relate 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, a becomes acceleration equal to minus of E by m. The acceleration of the electrons due to the electric field is E by m. Now another formula for acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration is rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity. So velocity we here treated as drift velocity by the average time taken. Average time taken by the electrons. So from this Vd can be related to A into time taken. A into time taken, right, which is equal to, substitute the value of A here. A is minus E by m. So minus E by m into tau. So Vd, drift velocity, we arrived on equation which is minus of E by m into tau. Take it as equation number 4. Now let n be the number of electrons available in a small volume of length dx. So number of electrons available in a small volume of length dx. So you refer the diagram. Dx is volume into n equal to volume of the element into n. So volume of the element is given by the thickness, that means area of cross section. Here let A be the area of cross section. So area of cross section into dx. So area of cross section is A dx into n. So total number of electrons available in this small elemental part, in this small elemental part which is under consideration. The total charge in the small volume element is given by dq. dq equal to number of electrons available in the small elemental A. Dx is V, d and dt. V, d, dt is dx, right? You take it as equation number 5. We know what is current. Current is q by t. Here it is dq by dt. So N E A V d dt by dt. So simplify it, dt dt gets cancelled, dq by dt is nothing but current. So current is equal to N E V d. So N E V d into E. This is the equation for current. Take it as equation number 6. So hereafter you can get the equation for current density and conductivity. So current density, we already aware that current density J, it is current density. Current density J is I by A. Current passing through a unit cross section I by A. Now substitute the value of I, which is equal to N E V D A, equal to N E V D A by again A. So here A gets cancelled. So J equal to N E V D. So this is current density in terms of number of electrons and drift velocity. Number of electrons and drift velocity. We know, we already arrived what is the value of Vd. So substituting the value of Vd, which is equal to EEm by, so J becomes equal to N E minus E E by m into tau, since Vd equal to minus E E by m tau. Now substituting Vd equal to this much, the equation for J takes the form. Now again simplify it. So J becomes minus N E square, E into E, E square, and tau by m into E, or J equal to sigma into E, where since sigma equal to minus of N E square tau by m, or sigma equal to J by E, sigma equal to J by E. So this is electrical conductivity in terms of current density and electric field, which is equivalent to minus of N E square tau by m. If you take the modulus, you will get just N E square tau by m. So this is called, this is conductivity. This is conductivity. So expression for conductivity is in terms of current density and electric field is sigma equal to J by E and sigma equal to N E square tau by m, using charge, time taken and mass of the electron. So this is sometimes we call it as microscopic form of Ohm's law or microscopic form of current, or microscopic form of current. Right, we arrived the equation for conductivity, sigma as N E square tau by m. So this is the equation for conductivity. It is conductivity. So equation for conductivity is N E square tau by m. If we take the magnitude only we are considering modulus. Modulus gives n e square tau by m. If it is resistivity, what is resistivity? Resistivity is 1 by sigma. Reciprocal of conductivity is resistivity, which is equal to now m by n e square tau. So if resistivity is asked, you have to choose this equation. This is resistivity. Now what is mobility? Mobility mu is drift velocity per unit electric field. Drift velocity per unit electric field, this is mobility. Now substitute the value of Vd. What is Vd here? Vd equal to minus E tau by m into E. Now this gets cancelled, E gets cancelled. So mu is, if you take only the magnitude, mu becomes E into tau by m. Right, with this we conclude this session. We will continue with another new topic in my next video. So keep watching for your updation. Okay.